Welcome to your Aruka injury risk analysis. Let's walk through the 5 simple steps to complete your evaluation. Step 1. The initial questionnaires. Complete your initial questionnaires first. These give your coach insights into your onboarding details, lifestyle, and medical background. All must be finished before uploading any videos. Step 2. Watch instructional videos. This shows you exactly how to perform each movement correctly for your assessment. In addition, we also have a downloadable PDF that will walk you through the filming process. Step 3. Upload your videos. Make sure that all 12 exercises are recorded properly and submitted in the correct categories. This includes sprint build-ups, a reactionary shuffle, lunges, skips, and a jump test. Step 4. Aruka Coach Evaluation. Once videos and payment are submitted, your coach will grade and analyze everything. When ready, click View Evaluation to read your personalized breakdown, tailored and made only for you. Step 5. Meet with your Aruka coach. Finally, schedule your 1-hour Zoom call with your Aruka coach to discuss the results and your next steps. We understand that life happens, so if you need to reschedule, that is perfectly fine.